Hi, I'm Dr. Andrea Furlan, and I am a physician, specialist in physical medicine, rehabilitation, and chronic pain. Today, I want to share with you a large new study that was recently published in the prestigious medical journal Nature, and it's changing the way we treat chronic pain. The authors of this study looked at genes, brain scans, and pain levels in thousands of people. They used the UK Biobank. From 2006 to 2010, 500,000 people were recruited, and they completed lots of questionnaires and gave samples to study their DNA, which contains their genetic information. Then, from 2014 to 2020, the brain scans were done in 42,000 people. And finally, between 2019 and 2020, 160,000 people completed online questionnaires that asked many questions about chronic pain, including pain intensity, location, type of pain, etc. 50% were female, and the average age was 66 years. And what they found is important. Chronic pain is strongly connected to the brain, not because pain is imagined, but because pain lives in the nervous system, especially the brain. Now, genetics are not a life sentence. What this study showed is that the genes play a role in how sensitive our pain system is. But this is important. Genes are not a destiny. Genes may load the gun, but environment, stress, movement, fear, sleep, and safety pull or don't pull the trigger. And the good news is that the brain can change. This is what gives us hope. So if you're living with chronic pain, I want you to know something right away. You are not weak, you are not broken, and your pain is real. Many people with chronic pain, especially as we get older, are told things like this. Well, this is just part of aging. Or your scans look normal, so you should not be having pain. You would just have to live with it. That can feel very discouraging, even heartbreaking. But science is telling us a different story. I'll tell you about the brain's role in chronic pain, which gives us hope because we can change how the brain works. Certain brain areas, like the insula and the frontal cortex, help the brain decide how loud pain feels, how long it lasts, how much it affects mood, sleep, and movement. In people with long-lasting pain, these areas can become overworked and less resilient. So think of it like a volume knob that gets stuck too high. I want you to understand this. The brain can predict pain and change it. In this research, the brain scans taken years earlier helped to predict who would have more intense pain later. So this tells us something very powerful. Pain is not just about damaged tissues, it's about how the brain learns and adapts. And just as the brain can learn pain, it can also unlearn it. So what does this mean for you? If you've lived with pain for many years, you might be wondering, is this too late for me? The answer is no. Studies show that when pain improves, the brain can actually regain strength and balance. This can happen with gentle, confident movement, pain education that reduces fear, emotional safety and connections, better sleep and sleep regulation, and a compassionate whole person care. Your nervous system is listening to everything you do, every calm breath, Every kind thought, every safe movement, this sends signals of safety to our brain, and safety is how the pain softens. So, a message that I want you to remember, please hear this clearly. Your pain is not a personal failure, it's not just aging, and it's not hopeless. Your brain is doing its best to protect you, and with the right support, it can learn new ways of healing. So, if this message has helped you even to feel a little bit more understood, please let me know in the comments right there, what did you like about this message? Remember, you are not alone in this, and there is more hope than you may have been told. The brain is plastic and it can change itself. I want also to remind you that this video is not intended as medical advice. This is only for educational purposes. And if you have any questions, go to your doctor, ask questions about your specific pain. Also, if there is any emergency while you're watching this video, please go to the nearest emergency department. I want you to watch this video to learn how you can rewire your brain. And this other video here is for you to listen to a person that has rewired her brain after 37 years of chronic pain, for you to be motivated and know that this is possible. Thank you for watching today. Goodbye.